I've got the 2023 Winnebago Ekko with the 3.5 liter Ecoboost, and I've got the J&L oil separator, little catch can here, and we're going to be installing that. It's about the easiest modification you can make to the Ekko, and it's pretty straightforward, pretty basic. All I've got here, I've got a 13mm socket, 10mm socket, new bolt, and 2 screws, the catch can, mounting bracket, and this is all we have to do. We'll take the 13mm socket. Down here you can see the original mounting stud for what would have been a mounting location for the engine cover, which I guess is used in other models, but get in here, just loosen that up, take that right off. Easy enough. And you got the mounting bracket, the catch can. If you line up the logos one over the other, just gonna use a little bit of blue thread locker just in case. Maybe not necessary, I don't know. Seems like a reasonable idea to me. That's probably way too much. Oh well. Way too much. Alright, now we're going to take off the original crankcase breather hose here. So this little blue tab, kind of pull that tab back, just pop it off, pull the tab, pop it off. You can see there's oil right there. There's some oil right there. So that's the whole point here. We're going to try to prevent that oil from getting sucked back into the engine through the air intake. Come in here, take the 10mm bolt from the kit, switch sockets. Alright, need an extension. Grab that. Just snug that down. Take this. Alright, that one's on. Take this. And that one's on. That's it. It's about as easy as it gets. 2 screws, a little bit of Loctite. 10mm down here just to tighten it onto the mounting stud. And then make sure the catch can's on here nice and snug. Alright, loosened it. And tighten. All set. So that should catch, hopefully, all that oil. You can see some on my thumb there. That would otherwise be getting sucked back in and blown into the back of the valves and creating carbon buildup and crud. And we'll see. So we'll see how, we'll check in like, I don't know, 500 miles, 1,000 miles. See how much we've caught in the catch can. And we'll know how much is not going into the engine. And this is the J&L oil separator 3.0 passenger side for the Ford Transit 2015 through 2023 3.5 liter Ecoboost, part number 3025P-B.